Breaking news coming in. The key maker who opened the door to Sushant Singh Rajput's room and Rhea Chakravarti are going to be questioned by the CBI today, is what we're given to understand. Siddhant now joins us live. He's been tracking all the developments there in Mumbai. Siddhant, yesterday is when the crime scene was recreated by the team of the investigating agency. Today we're given to understand Rhea Chakravarti, who is the key suspect in this case, and of course the man who opened the door when Sushant Singh Rajput's family and his flatmates called, is going to be questioned today.
Well, you see, Poonam, Keymaker is going to get grilled today by the CBI teams. Yesterday, Pithani, Dipesh Sawant and Neeraj were grilled, and they were taken to the house of Sushant Singh Rajput for the reconstruction purposes. But at the same time, as far as questioning of Rhea Chakrabarti or any members from the Chakrabarti family is concerned, we are yet to get the confirmation on the same. But the fact here is that CBI wants to build a case. They don't completely want to rely on the case files present with Mumbai Police or the forensic reports present with Mumbai Police. What I've been told, Poonam, is that they want to build a case, and this procedure will take time. Step by step, they are building case. They had started from Neeraj, then Pithani, Dipesh Sawant. They are going to get Samuel Miranda. They are going to grill Rajat and other characters. And after completing this entire procedure, they are going to confront Chakrabartis, including Rhea Chakrabarti, with all those evidences, testimonies, so that a truth can come out.
Absolutely,
and
the CBI is trying to piece together this entire jigsaw puzzle. There are more questions than answers with each passing day, because more and more twists and turns are taking place in this entire case, isn't it, Siddhant? Stay with us. Let's listen in to the fresh testimony that has now come in by the neighbor of Sushant Singh Rajput, who says something was fishy the night before Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead.
लाइट जो है 10:30 पौने 11 बजे सब बंद कर दी गई थी। जी। सिर्फ एक किचन की लाइट ऑन थी, और कभी भी हमेशा कभी ऐसे उसकी लाइट कभी ऑफ होती नहीं थी। 4 बजे तक जागता था। बट उस दिन जो आप लोग बोल रहे पार्टी थी, कोई पार्टी नहीं हुई, कुछ नहीं हुआ।
तो आपको लग रहा है कि कहीं कुछ लाइट, क्योंकि जनरली ऐसे आप कह रहे हैं नहीं,
जनरली लाइट ऑफ नहीं होती है, सो दिस वाज कंप्लीटली ऑफ।
तो मतलब कहीं
समथिंग समवेयर, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज।
ओके मैम।
लाइट जो है 10:30 पौने 11 बजे सब बंद कर दी गई थी। जी। सिर्फ एक किचन की लाइट ऑन थी, और कभी भी हमेशा कभी ऐसे उसकी लाइट कभी ऑफ होती नहीं थी। 4 बजे तक जागता था। बट उस दिन जो आप लोग बोल रहे पार्टी थी, कोई पार्टी नहीं हुई, कुछ नहीं हुआ।
तो आपको लग रहा है कि कहीं कुछ लाइट, क्योंकि जनरली ऐसे आप कह रहे हैं नहीं,
जनरली लाइट ऑफ नहीं होती है, सो दिस वाज कंप्लीटली ऑफ।
तो मतलब कहीं
समथिंग समवेयर, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज।
ओके मैम।
Now, Siddhant, this fresh testimony coming in from the neighbor has only added more mystery, more twist to this entire case. Do we know if the CBI is going to question this neighbor and find answers?
Well, that is how the procedure is, Poonam. Yesterday CBI teams were inside Sushant's house. They were busy reconstructing the entire crime scene. There were characters. There were Mumbai police also, which went inside first. Today is a turn of a keymaker. We've also been told, Poonam, that all the neighbors of Sushant, those who are residing in the same building, as well as the nearby bungalows and apartments from where Sushant's flat is visible, all those people are going to get approached by CBI. Their statement will be recorded, because this particular testimony is very interesting, because for the first time somebody has come on camera and said that there were no lights on in the apartment on 13 June. Now, Poonam, question goes out, when Siddharth Pithani, Sushant Singh Rajput, Neeraj, Keshav and Dipesh Sawant were present inside the house on the evening of 13 June, then why lights were not on in the apartment? This is the question that needs to be answered. At the same time, Poonam, we have managed to get testimonies. We have spoken to people. They were telling that there was a belief among Sushant's staff and many others that particular house is haunted. Now, it has got to do something with that. This is what CBI is going to look into.
Right.